Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the earth for blood, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight. I do not know how I ended up in this place, so far from heaven and grace, and under the pressure of these circumstances I wanna give up, because I feel like the city doesn't have you, and it's taking away the best that's in me. Oh, this casual love is not what it seems at all. Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the city in search of love, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight. And I'm trying to forget the evening that got closer to me after kissing you. I realized what kind of person I really needed. I'm so tired of all this searching. What should I do? What should I do? Go home alone or wander the streets for something more? Should I melt into your arms or bolt my heart, or drown all my sorrows by coming back to you? Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the city in search of love, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight. The oppressive shadows of the past have returned again. The more I remember, the more I sink into myself. The higher I climb, leaving it all far below, the less I worry about falling. Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the city in search of love, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight. Because I feel like you're not in the city, and it's taking away the best that's in me. Oh, this casual love is not what it seems at all. Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the city in search of love, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight. The oppressive shadows of the past have returned again. The more I remember, the more I sink into myself. Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the city in search of love, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight. The oppressive shadows of the past have returned again. The more I remember, the more I sink into myself. Sometimes I turn into a bird, flying over the city in search of love, following the tailwind to enjoy the flight.